Welcome to this instructional video on hemorrhage control using a combat tourniquet. Let's get started. A combat tourniquet is a crucial tool for managing an uncontrolled hemorrhage. Use the device when there's uncontrolled bleeding from a limb despite applying direct pressure, or in multiple casualty scenes where simple hemorrhage control measures can't be individually applied. Do not use if the bleeding can be controlled using basic first aid measures. Never apply the tourniquet over a wound or joint. Once applied, the tourniquet must remain visible. Do not cover it with clothing or other bandages. Consistent practice is key to sustaining skills and competence. Remember, the primary reason for failure is excess slack in the strap. All you need is a combat tourniquet. For safety, it's recommended that medical providers wear gloves and safety glasses. First, identify the hemorrhage that can't be controlled. Now apply the combat tourniquet. 1. Pass the band around the limb, about 5 to 7 centimeters above the bleeding site, directly against the skin. Feed it through the buccal slit, ensuring it's not twisted. 2. Pull the band tight around the limb and secure with Velcro. It should be tight enough that you can't slip 3 fingertips inside. 3. Twist the rod until the bleeding stops or the distal pulse is lost. This usually takes 3 or 4 turns. 4. Lock the rod inside the rod clips. 5. If bleeding persists, consider tightening further or using a second tourniquet adjacent to the first. 6. Secure the remaining band through the rod clips and note the time of application on the time strap. Ongoing considerations. 1. Regularly assess the tourniquet's effectiveness. 2. In most cases, leave the tourniquet in place until medical clearance. 3. Check the device after each patient move. 4. If the tourniquet has been on for a prolonged period, only trained hospital personnel should remove it due to potential crush injury risks. A combat tourniquet is a life-saving tool. With proper application and care, it can make the difference in critical situations. Practice regularly and stay safe. Thank you for watching.